Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Blogging Mantra. In this video, I will show you my website traffic to you, so you can also motivate and make one blogging, and you can make one website is related to movie or any other. And I have total 4 website, and 2 website is related to educational website, just like a jobs opening, recruitment, and one website is health related, and last one is movie related. So this website I am showing you in moviehdflex.com. It's depend. I am posting daily basis one post in every week. I am posting one post in my website related to movie whenever any new Hollywood, Bollywood and web series is released. So I am just posting an article in my website. So it's very helpful to see someone which want to watch online movie from my website. So this website is Indian movie website, and I am also write one article and related to Hollywood movies also. So please do visit my website once again, and I am showing my website traffic right now. You have seen there 7 user in my website, and which location is all 7 is coming in India. So I am planning to make Hollywood movie also, so that some user is coming from US, Canada and UK also. So this is my traffic strategy, and you have to see all my traffic. It's a organic traffic, direct organic traffic I am earn from this website, and direct traffic and reference traffic and social traffic. So this website is very popular in India for Indian movies and Bollywood movies. So please visit my website once, and you will learn lots of from this website, how I am write a article for Bollywood movies, and how I am providing a download link to all of my user. It's free of cost. Just visit my website once, and you will find some download link, so you can easily watch online and download from my website. So this is the my website. It's easy website and simple website I made, and I'm getting daily basis 2 to 3,000 visitor on my website. So I'm also getting more and more visitor in my website, so that I can earn more from Google AdSense. I You have seen that in my website in some ad is running, so it's a Google AdSense, and I also connect my this website from popular ad. So this is my popular ad earning proof in from moviehdflex.com. This $18 is coming, and whenever I reach $20, I will take a payout from popular ad. So this is simple idea, and this video is motivational video. If you like to make a some website like movie, so you can definitely do for that, and you can definitely success for this type of movie website. So this is simple video. I am just trying to teach you in blogging. So how can you make a some simple website like movie website, health website, jobs website, so you can earn more money from home. And this is the idea from I have this idea from last 2 to 3 year. I am working on blogging, and I am very much successful from blogging. So I made 4 website. I'll show you my all 4 website like that. This is first website movie hdflex.com, second website healthalltips.com. This is fully related to my health website, and you can find lots of health related article from in my website. And its website is fully mm, attached with Google AdSense. So you have to see there is lots of ad is coming, and high CPC ad is coming. So I'll earning more from Google AdSense. And second one is indnaukri.com. This is the educational website. I'll providing the job opportunities, ideas, and some jobs opening in India. So lots of student can search for jobs and my website, and I'll provide some more convenient information to my student in India, so that they can easily get a jobs from whatever and where is opening is coming. So this is simple video. If you motivate something, or if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching.